Going to be doing a quick video comparison between the Surefire G2 and the Streamlight TL-2. First, let's go to the Surefire light. Surefire light, it has a bulb that it has a 60 lumens lamp. It's 5.10 inches. The bezel diameter is 1.25. It weighs around 4.1 ounces, and it uses two 123A batteries. Batteries comes with the unit. The G2 is a corruption-proof body and bezel. What comes in the package is the light, two batteries, and the tail cap that is push. Or you can screw it in all the way and it stays always on. It also has a waterproof O-ring and gasket sealing. Surefire offers a lifetime warranty on this light. The body of the light is nitrile polymer for lightweight durability. The Surefire also has a runtime of 60 minutes and a shelf life of 10 years. Now let's move to the Streamlight TL-2 light. The body of the light is black machined aluminum with a tail cap that has an on and off switch. It has a turn cap to keep always on, and you can turn it for on and off just like the G2. The difference is this one got a button on the back that you can keep it always on, always off. The G2 doesn't have the button. It has a pressure switch, but it doesn't stay on unless you keep your finger there. Comes on the package of the Streamlight is going to be the light, two 123 batteries, and this lanyard cord right here. Comes with the Streamlight. The weight is 4.33 ounces. Running time for this light is 1 hour. It also has a pocket clip. The G2 light doesn't have a pocket clip. It has a storage life also of 10 years. And it have a warranty of 10 years. Let's turn the lights off and see what the beam looks like. First we're going to try Streamlight. We have a white beam. Real clear to look at this beam anywhere you point it. It's really bright green. It's 120 lumens. White light. Next, it's going to be Surefire G2. This light is 65 lumens and it's a yellow beam, it's not white beam. So for conclusion, Surefire G2 light costs us around $70. Which one would I pick if I had a choice of only one light? I would pick this one. Brighter, white light, and it comes with more stuff than this one does. They're both great lights, but this one is a little bit better. It is thinner compared to this one. The body is thinner on the Streamlight light than the G2.